Crystal crazy is crystal. Crystal's crazy.
Oh, we are on an elevator. Yes, we are on an elevator for a really, really long time. So people smile at me and look at me like crazy. Watch out, guys, see, I told you. I like your glove.
Thank you. Lightning? What's that over there?
It's a radioactive truck.
Please don't make it explode. Lightning, no! No, lightning, no! Bad lightning, bad!
Can you get down?
Well then I'm just gonna leave you here and I'm gonna go get a donut.
No! But you know her mama is bringing to me.